On just about every page of our San Francisco scrapbook for the year, the past and present are so pleasantly blended that it's sometimes difficult to keep them separate. The Jackson Square of today, with its fashionable decorator shops, was until a few years ago the home of the bigger-than-life international settlement, whose doormen lived in a world of their own.
What, you got a radio program going on here or something? Well, God bless everybody that lives here in San Francisco and everybody that works on the international settlement. That's the sign of everybody to go and keep a good Frisco going the way that it goes. And I am the one and only Deadpan Duke. Go ahead.
The nightlife of the old international settlement, which was a far cry from the Barbary coast of the Gold Rush days, has moved a few blocks onto Broadway in North Beach. North Beach is the focal point for San Francisco's Italian population, a good many of whom find nothing in this world quite as relaxing as an afternoon watching or playing bocce ball, which is a special cross between bowling on the green and marbles.
Chi l'ha fermato? L'ha detto lui, non l'ho toccata io. Non ho visto niente. Io l'ho visto e non mi ha toccato. Io ho visto. Io non l'ho visto proprio. No, ma che non ho visto nessuno che mi ha toccato.
Afternoons in San Francisco are filled with wonderful things to do and watch, like feeding the ducks at the lagoon of the Palace of Fine Arts, built in 1915 by a city anxious to show off its recovery from the 1906 fire and earthquake.
Oh, look at this one. He was right up against. Look at that. Look at that one. Look at that. Look at that one. Look at that. Looks like a girl with a...
This little girl seems worried about the ducks spoiling their dinner.
You think the ducks wouldn't feel like dinner for having all this bread?
From the foot of Market Street comes the big voice of the Ferry Building, punctuating the workday for most of San Francisco. Out on the Golden Gate Bridge, when the wind and temperature are just right, the vertical steel cables start singing with their own voices. Much that is different about San Francisco results from the city being a crossroads to the entire world, which it is because of the bay. These 400 square miles of saltwater are a place to work and play. A front yard reaching to the Golden Gate, the city's protector against weather extremes and its reason for being. Boats of San Francisco's fishing fleet keep in touch by short wave.
I don't know, Barky. We better stick you like glue. If I had a fast boat tonight, I'd really shoot down the line. If they don't pay to go down there, we don't get fish down there, we don't get it around here. I don't know, I better start crying the blues, over.
No, it's a buoy, no. It's a build like a ski for the bow. E c'è la stecca dello rete sopra e c'è la luce, ma la luce non l'ho vista accesa. I don't need to watch it today. I don't know, I had a headache all day. I don't feel very good at all, baby.
And the bigger ships talk to each other and to the shore with voices everyone can hear. Certainly the most spectacular of all the voices of San Francisco are the foghorns, the basso profundo accompaniment for the fog that spills through the Golden Gate. The fog that's made San Francisco famous as the city with built-in air conditioning, and as the cool gray city of love. When the fog sets them all to work, their voices produce a counterpoint unlike anything in the world. These have been the voices of San Francisco, the people, the places, and things that make San Francisco the special city it is.